Hello brothers and sisters, today I would like to show you one of my latest catch. This is a Rolex Yacht-Master and this is something unique from Rolex. You see the Rolex inner box, outer box here. Maybe we all know this, and of course the bucklet is not in the box for now and the warranty card, but the main point is the watch. So I will start and continue with it and showing you this beautiful rose gold timepiece from the Crown's manufacturer. So this is the Yacht-Master rose gold edition with the 40mm wide case and with matte ceramic bezel. Personally, I love it. So we all know the highly polished ceramic bezel from Rolex, and that is really cool, but especially in good lighting, that kind of ceramic lost its color. So it became very light, very shaded, very reflective, but this one is simply amazing. I am very happy with it, and I hope Rolex will use this kind of matte ceramic more and more. As you see, the numbers on the ceramic bezel are polished, so in light it reflects very nicely. The case is the well-known Yacht-Master case, simply beautiful. You see the nice gold indexes and hands, you see the date and the cyclope eyes, and here is the clasp, of course solid gold too. And the other thing why this piece is unique from the Rolex collection is there is no steel there is no solid gold or steel or any kind of metallic bracelet, but we got this rubber style flexible bracelet, what is not rubber but feels like the best rubber bracelet I ever had. And inside it there are some small or thin but lots of titanium scales. So in fact this is a titanium bracelet covered with some kind of elastomer, what is silicone and rubber, and who knows, because this is a secret, what kind of mixture of this flexible material, and has got the cool flexible touch, comfortable wearing, and of course this nice matte color and shine like the bezel, so matching everything. The dial is matching with the rubber bracelet and the ceramic bezel too. So anyway, you must know this watch has got an upgrade in that way. In 2019 the Rolex released the 42mm wide in white gold. I don't know, I don't like white gold pieces, but that is a taste of matters. For me this rose gold is fantastic. The only thing I would change on this watch, the clasp, because this is the old Yacht-Master clasp, so there is no quick adjusting, only a length. So you can length it with one click. Sorry, no, you cannot length it. I mixed it. So the point, we got to the point. There is no lengthening or shortening system on this clasp. And the new one has got the don't remember the correct Rolex phrase, but the adjustable clasp you may know from the Submariners. So this is the only thing I would change on the watch, but all is very cool. The movement is maybe I remember well the 35 movement from the Submariners. Of course date, hand, minutes, second hand. in our hand. Absolute precise, durable, perfect Rolex movement. And there is a, I don't know if you see it, a small insert inside this Oysterflex rubber bracelet, what holds the watch perfectly on your wrist. So if I start to wear it, the watch won't turn around my wrist with like mostly the other rubber strap is possible if you're not close enough or strength enough to your wrist. Thanks to these inside part, it fits perfectly and stands perfectly on my wrist. Maybe the size for me it's not the best. The watch is 40mm wide, but maybe it looks a bit smaller, of course because the golden case and because the black Oysterflex. If the bracelet would be solid gold, that won't be a thought or matter, but I like it. This is a really elegant, really high-end luxury piece with this sporty style. And of course, the watch operates like the Rolex pieces. The bezel is two-directional or bidirectional. No clicking like from the Submariner, but you can turn it any direction because this is a Yacht-Master, so not a diver watch. By the way, the Yacht-Master is 100-meter water resistant too. This is beautiful. And if we screw out the crown, of course in the first position we can wind the watch. Now you will see the second hand starting to run. And here we go. And with 2 clicks we simply move the hands. You saw the date changed, and of course with 1 click you can move the date. This is Rolex, but perfect. And at the end I'll show you a lume, because of course this watch, even it's not a diver watch, but has got a really strong blue lume, what we like with Rolex. And here we go. Super nice, super strong and super blue. This is Rolex. So this is my rose gold Yacht-Master. I love it. I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching and see you later.